Welcome to Glidex RV, where we bring you the most futuristic and luxurious vehicles on the planet. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, a Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, known for its hypercars, has now redefined luxury travel with a motorhome that blends performance, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. This isn't just any RV, it's a masterpiece on wheels, designed for those who demand speed, comfort, and exclusivity. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille and sleek, aerodynamic body make it clear, this is no ordinary motorhome. The carbon fiber exterior, LED matrix headlights, and sculpted air intakes give it the aggressive stance of a hypercar, while the butterfly-style driver's doors add an extra touch of elegance. But the true magic happens inside. Step into an interior that rivals five-star luxury suite. The cabin is a work of art, featuring hand-stitched leather seats, carbon fiber and aluminum accents, and a futuristic digital cockpit inspired by Bugatti's hypercars. The driver's area is equipped with a curved OLED display, haptic touch controls, and an advanced AI-assisted navigation system, making every journey feel effortless. Moving into the main lounge, the space is designed for ultimate relaxation and entertainment. A smart glass panoramic roof lets in natural light, while the ambient LED lighting system creates a customizable atmosphere. The built-in entertainment system with a high-end surround sound setup ensures that whether you're watching a movie or just enjoying the ride, you get the best experience possible. For those who love fine dining on the go, the motorhome features a state-of-the-art kitchen, equipped with a marble countertop, induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and a hidden minibar. Everything is designed to be both functional and stylish. When it's time to rest, the private suite is nothing short of breathtaking. A king-size bed with memory foam and premium bedding offers the perfect place to unwind. The smart glass walls can switch between transparent and opaque for privacy, while the integrated climate control ensures the perfect temperature at all times. The bathroom area is just as luxurious, featuring a full-size rainfall shower, LED mirror, and touch-free controls, making it feel like a high-end spa on wheels. Of course, no Bugatti would be complete without high-performance engineering. This motorhome is powered by a hybrid drivetrain, delivering both power and efficiency. The adaptive air suspension and all-wheel drive system ensure a smooth ride, whether you're cruising on highways or exploring remote destinations. To top it off, the motorhome is equipped with solar panels on the roof, providing sustainable energy for extended off-grid adventures. So, is this the most luxurious and high-performance motorhome ever built? Let us know in the comments. And if you love cutting-edge vehicles like this, make sure to subscribe to Glidex RV and hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update on the latest and most exclusive motorhomes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.